Hey guys, it's me. So I'm going to be doing a short video on my new pit bike I've got. Here it is. Oh, you can't really see, but I'll move into the light now, and it's just 1 minute. Yeah, that's a little better. Not much, I don't think, but it's a Evo 140. It's a very nice bike. It's got the better exhaust on. It's updated, so it's better. I've just had a little going garden on it, but yeah, it's a nice bike. Yeah. Right, off the style. Right. Yeah, press that little red button, click it back now so I could start it again if I wanted to. It's nice bike. They're good. Very nice looking bike too. Evo 140, very fast too. Pretty good. Oh, what I said, but I can't get it running. I'm not going to drive it now for like in this video because it's getting dark now. So I can't really. I'll start it. Oh God, I slipped. Ooh. Sorry, I just turned the petrol off. I'll just put it back on. Let me just turn this light off. Start it now. I can't start it at the moment. I'll do another video tomorrow and we're starting up and might get a little video riding it. But thanks, that's my video, so bye.